Welcome back. I got a recall notice on my bus. I'm like, uh-oh, what the hell is this? Vehicles are equipped with an unused circuit at final stage manufacturer. They may or may not be covered, so they may be a fire hazard. And this is in the lower left side B pillar. So I hate bringing my car to the dealer. So I was already over here nearby doing something, painting, and I'm like, let me take care of this myself. Because I could not find any information online about what exactly they do to repair this issue. They say just cover it up, and they're saying it's going to take 70 minutes to do this job. I think that's way too long. So what do we got to do first? Pull off this access panel. You have a clip here that holds on to that. So you could pull the bottom of this out. Get your seat belt out of the way. Pull this back. There was no clip on the other side of this one because it interferes with the bus wall. So the top there is also a couple of clips in here. You could remove this panel. That adds more work. We did not. We're able to pull it out and squeak this out by itself here. There we go. Let's hop inside and look for this elusive wire. Where are these wires? Two plugs, this one and this heavier one here. That looks like a heavy-duty power lead. This is supposed to be for like rear AC or any other accessories or so that may be wired into the conversion van or whatever. This is a cutaway van, so it's going to be built out as whatever. I'm going to check right now to see if this has power. If it does, I'm just going to leave it alone, and we're going to cover this up with something, either tape, another plug that we can go in there, a dead plug. I don't know if I have anything that matches like that, so let's see if it's got juice first. The ignition is off. I have a test light on here. Let's see if it's got juice. Oh yeah, it does. Hot all the time. So that's your potential problem. It was just sitting down in this little hole over here. So if any moisture gets in there, yeah, you could have an issue. It probably isn't fused very well if it's a hot lead, judging by the size of this. And then we also have this plug over here. Let's see if there's any juice coming to these. We got our engine running now, and we got a hot one over here still too, only with the key on, engine on. So we are just going to cover these up. What am I going to do? I got pieces of vacuum hose. We're just going to cover over the hot lead on this plug. Shove it in here. I won't even bother covering the other side, and then we're going to tape this up. Same thing over here. We only had one hot lead. I think it was, had one of these that was hot. That one. So, same thing. Put a couple on here. Cover this one. Now that I know these are here, I might actually tap into this thing if I need to run some other accessory or something. But for now, you could fill them with silicone if you want, but that'll not make them usable in the future. So we're going to leave these potentially usable. Tape them up. All taped up. We'll stick them back in the hole. That did not take me 70 minutes, but I know going to the dealer would have taken me probably a whole day or more, because they suck. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I appreciate that a lot. Thanks. They did include a customer reimbursement form. I'm going to see if I could fill this thing out and try to have them send me some money.